Aha, Buju, my fellow Indians need Anishinaabe Duk. I want to show you how I'm gonna make word lists. I just figured out how to record my screen on my iPhone. You just bring down your toolbars, swipe down from the top right down, and you press that little red button. Well, it's not red until you press it. If you don't have that button on there, you can just press search and add tools here. And this is screen record. So what I want to show you is how I make word lists. I'm going to turn this into a YouTube video and put it onto Ojibwe language table so other people might be interested in this. So I go to Ojibwe language, Ojibwe People's Dictionary, and up there it says advanced screen. Advanced search. So I'm going to press advanced search. Woo, didn't mean to do that. Advanced search, so it brings me there. And I'm going to switch this to end with instead of start with. Okay, there's made it end with. And words that end with ta. Okay. It looks like it gives me 2 pages of it. Words that end with ta. So, ta, let me look at ta. Let me get a look at it. Click on that word, agua ta. If you go down, usually when you pick on a word, it'll break it up sometimes, not all the time. But here it says ta means she does something, works or act. If I click on ta again, that'll bring me back to all the words that end with ta. So ta, she does something, works, acts. What I'm trying to learn is the beginning of words that end with ta. Like agua, goes ashore, comes ashore. So I'm just going to record this all the way down the whole word list. And I'm going to listen to this when I drive to work, drive home from work, or when I go to bed at night, or when I'm shopping in Walmart, I'll listen to these words. So I'll say the English first, and I'll say the Ojibwe twice, and I'll just go straight down the line. And then I'm going to put it on YouTube so I don't lose it. I always lose my files. But put on a YouTube video, it'll be there all the time. Here we go. She goes ashore, comes ashore. Agua-ta. Agua-ta. All right. She turns away, turns or faces down. So it can turn away or turn down. Animikoka. Animikota. Animikota. So that's like animiki. The thunders, they face down, strike down. Anemic. Animikota. The Thunderbird's always looking down at us. Anemico. I'm just throwing in all that. I would just say the English and Ojibwe. All this talk in between is just for you to see how I work on word lists. She engages in an activity to a certain extent so far along in an activity. Apichita. Apichita. She goes back, returns. Ajeta. Ajeta. She continues, works constantly. Abijita. Abijita. So abij must mean constantly work. I'm just going to look at it. Normally I wouldn't do this. I just go down the list. There it is. Abij, also abid. So sometimes J changes to D. See right here it says variants. Abij, abiz, and abid. They're all the same. Abid the demo. Constantly crying. Non-stop crying. Abid the demo. Anyways, let's go back. Now, if I'm just normally making my study list, I would just go straight down this word list all the way down to the bottom. And that would take a long time, about 10-15 minutes to say all of them. So when I get done recording this, I just go back here, or I just press the screen and it'll say stop. and then it puts it in my photo list, my video list, and then I'm gonna go to I'll go to my YouTube app, and I'll just press the plus sign to upload a video, and then I'll go through and find it and upload it. And I have my own YouTube video, and I'll post it on Ojibwe language table, so maybe people get an idea of learning more, another technique of learning Ojibwe. Alrighty, I think